And not the snot.
It made snot come out his nose.
Try it real hard. So it's a little louder if you lean forward. So if you want the full experience, lean forward.
Demo too. I want him to get it there.
You ready? Just too loud, buddy.
He tapped! He tapped!
Pretty good.
Hey, you next?
Hold on.
He said, I'm out. Get in. It ain't that bad. I want another one.
Come on.
Facebook Live, your next one. I'm on Facebook Live, so go ahead and get a video when he gets out. Don't kill me now.
Lean forward's a little louder.
You want it on Facebook Live?
Oh, hell no. That shit too loud. He didn't even let you get bro, that shit loud.
I get one more. I'm on Facebook Live, so.
Alright. What's up, everybody?
Jacob Viral.
So 418, 6,000 watts. It does 60s on music.
I'm a bass head at heart.
Pretty good?
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I wish I.
Holy fuck. Oh shit. Hey, this is the best car I've been in all day.
Really?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Pretty loud?
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, appreciate the demo. Have fun, man. Sorry about the cigarette, but just.
You good? I'm gonna bring some more people to you.
Okay.
I got somebody.
Alright. If it's not loud enough, lean forward, it'll be a little louder.
He said that hurts. That was pretty good. You said you were doing 165, right? The way it's set up now?
No, that's
just
But my last build was a 65.6.
Okay.
But now it's a 61s.
61s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just 1.6K.
His nose is leaking. He's dripping snot.
And not the snot.
It made snot come out his nose. That's some high notes.
Oh, yeah.
That's that high frequency. That's what enthusiasm.
Yeah.
Don't let the camera do that.
Did you get that with camera? That's gonna be awesome. Oh, he just cleared his sinuses out.
You know, I've only got Salt Lake here on 415. U15.
Are you here?
With it? No, I broke down.
Oh, no.
Yeah, fucking transmission now. Third time. Same car.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So it's a little louder if you lean forward.
I don't want to lean forward.
Okay.
breathe.
Pretty good?
That's pretty good, man.
Hey, get in there, man.
There you go.
Get in there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, when you get in there,
Gonna
leave
play the
the
list
floor.
too, but that's
Yeah, that high pressure boy just sucks the wind right out of you. It don't hurt your ears. It just you can't breathe.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Ah, man, that is nice.
Yeah, man.
That is so much nice. Yeah, I'll eventually get there.
Oh yeah, it's all
We're,
work in progress.
once we push it forward and do the curve over,
Yeah,
we'll be
that'll help.
we'll be hanging right there with you.
Yes, sir. All right, man. You have a good day.
You too. Go ahead and get in there, skinny man.
What's going on? So lean forward if it's too loud. Back up.
Yeah, we're right there, boy.
You ready?
I watch your place because you're getting all the stuff that he don't get, you get.
Yep.
Yeah, keep it up.
Well, hey, we'll suck the breath right out of you.
Hey, with that two-stroke that you
I
did.
always love it.
How you doing?
I'm gonna like have that on the
You better go
It's
back.
pretty loud. If it's too loud, just wave your hand.
How's immediate?
Yeah, done.
Take breathe. It don't hurt your
We
ears.
need to get a sticker on the door.
It just pulls all your breath out.
What should it be?
Door handle there. What's up, Ed? You want to hear it?
Go get it. Go get it. See, that's why I didn't sit forward. I already knew.
It's about 2 dB difference from here to here.
Oh, I'm sure there's a whole great big difference there, but that's bad enough being right there.
You ready? Lean forward for a little bit more pressure. Yep. All right, here we go.
Hey, she's a trooper.
Pretty good?
She's a trooper.
Pretty loud.
She sat in there. Woo.
Does it hurt your? Does it get your throat or your nose or your eyes?
Like all up here.
All up in the top. Yeah.
You want to go sit in, old man?
Where my trash at? Get in my trash.
Anybody else before I turn it off?
A little man get in and he's scared. I've seen him in
You
the
ready?
down there.
He's trying to be brave.
Pretty loud?
He's trying to be brave.
That's awesome.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, he handled it.
What's up, man? I got a new build. It's 4 18s on a 4th order with 1 amp, 1 6K.
See, we're in
So 6,000 watts. I don't know what it's clamped in. I'm dropping it like 11.8. Soundcube HDX4s, brand new. Don't really plan to add power. I'm just planning to get my voltage to 14s. So if I can go from 11s to 14s, hopefully I'll get into like. Yeah, that'd be great. There we go. Pretty good. Yeah. Just 1 6K though, so I mean it surprised me. Oh yeah, just 1 crescendo 6K. Yeah,
You didn't take
I'm
that
happy
off.
with it. I'm gonna take that sucker off. It's so ugly. The whole vehicle's ugly, so. Yeah, but I went from 112 back to 418. And I wanted a little more cone area, so I went from 415s to 4.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.